Welcome back, language enthusiasts. Building on our last lessons, let's delve deeper into the beauty of language and culture together.
Now, what is the young woman saying? 不可气. Okay, 不可气. Okay, so now what does it mean? 不可气. And by the way, I had told you that QI, it is not ki, okay, it's chi. Okay, so 不可气. Okay, so now let's get back to our same old, the three aspects. Okay, so in this case here, what is the first aspect? Okay, so 不客气 basically means you are welcome, okay, or no need to be so much courteous, okay, or you can also say don't mention it, okay. And now what is the second aspect? It is the pinyin part. The second aspect, the phonetics part, is the pinyin part. 不可气. And one thing more, one aspect more, that K is like k, and Q is like chi. Okay, so combine 不可气. And now the writing part. This is the character for 不. K, chi. So one character for this is the character for pu, this one is for k, and this one is for chi. 不可气. So what is the first part? The first aspect is you are welcome, don't mention it. Okay, that's the subject here. What is the pinyin? How to say it? If you are in China and if you want to say you are welcome, don't mention it. Okay, you will have to say 不可气, 不可气. And if you are in China and if you want to write you are welcome or don't mention it, you will have to write these three characters. Okay, if you write it once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. By the way, pu means, as I already told you, pu means no or not. Okay. And ke chi, okay, ke chi combined means to be courteous. Okay. Okay, so 不客气 basically means no need to be so much courteous. Okay, so 不客气, its meaning can also be derived like no need to be courteous, okay, or you are welcome, or no need for thanks. Okay, so all these three can mean 不客气. Okay, so what did we learn here? We learned 谢谢你. Okay, the old lady was saying thank you. Okay, and B was saying, the young woman was saying 不客气. Okay, 不客气. And what did we learn? We learned that 不 means no or not, and 客气 means to be courteous. Okay, so if we combine, it means 不客气 means no need to be courteous. Okay, and its meaning can also be taken you are welcome or don't mention it. Okay, So this was the new word which we learned here, 不客气. Okay, I hope this conversation is clear to you. Now the third conversation, there is a little girl, okay, and she is saying, what do you think she could be saying? She is on a car and going somewhere, so she is saying goodbye, okay, and what is the other person who is not in the frame? He is also saying, he or she is also saying goodbye, okay, 再见. So A is saying, the little girl is saying goodbye, and the other person is also saying bye. Okay, now what do 再 and 见 independently mean? Okay, so now for 在 and for 见, okay, so the first part is for 在 is again, okay, and the second part is our pinyin, okay, which is 在 with a fourth tone. Okay, so here 在 means again, okay, 在 means again, so it's the subject here. Of course, now the pinyin is 在 with the fourth tone, and the character is this. Okay, it means if you are in China and you have to say again, you will say 在, and if you want to write again, you will write this character. Okay, to write it once again, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, 6 strokes in total. Okay, so it's clear. Okay, if you are in China and you want to say again, you will say 在, and you will write this character to say again. Now the second character which we are going to learn here is 见. Okay, so here our subject is to meet or to see, okay, and the pinyin is 见, and the character is this one. Okay, so here, so it basically means if you are in China and you want to say to meet or to see, you will say 见, fourth tone, and if you want to write it, you will have to write this character. Okay, so by now you have learned that 见 means to meet or to see, and the character is this. To write it once again, okay, so the three aspects about again and to meet are clear to you. Okay, the pinyins in both the cases and the characters in both the cases are clear. Okay, now what is the collective meaning of 再见? Okay, 再 means again and 见 means to meet or to see. So again, meet. Okay, so the meaning comes out to be we will meet again. Okay, 再见. Again, meet. We will meet again. Okay, so when do we say we will meet again? Of course, when we are parting shot. Okay, when we are going somewhere. Okay, that's why its meaning comes out to be goodbye. Okay, so basically the meaning of 再见 is not goodbye as such. Okay, 再 means again, 见 means to meet. So the meaning is we will meet again. Okay, but when do we say this? We say this when we are going somewhere, when we are parting shot. Okay, that's why the collective meaning of 再见 comes out to be goodbye. Okay, Okay, so in this conversation, what did we learn? We learned that zai means again, qian means to meet, and collectively zai qian means to meet again or goodbye. That's why when the little girl is saying zai qian, the other person she is also saying zai qian, goodbye and bye.
As we conclude, reflect on the progress made today. Next session, we will unravel even more linguistic wonders. Keep practicing, and until then, happy learning.